Thank you for your interest in learning more about the proposed multimodal improvements along US 6 from Squaw Creek Road to Hillcrest Drive. This video is 4 minutes and provides a summary of the proposed improvements. After learning more about the improvements, we invite you to complete a quick survey to tell us what is important to you, review the concept design documents in more detail, and provide any other comments you may have for the project team. The proposed multimodal improvements along US 6 from Squaw Creek Road to Hillcrest Drive were developed based on the project purpose and need and input from community members. Overall improvements in the area include the addition of a roundabout at Squaw Creek Road, the addition of a transit stop and bus pullout, and enhanced bicycle and pedestrian facilities. The following slides zoom into 3 segments to provide a closer look at the improvements in this focus area. This slide shows the west end of the focus area where US 6 approaches Squaw Creek Road. The roadway cross-section for this area includes 11-foot travel lanes and an 8-foot shoulder. The curved approach and median design in this segment are intended to slow traffic down as they approach the roundabout at Squaw Creek Road. On this slide, you can see the concept design for the proposed Squaw Creek Road roundabout. The roundabout will improve traffic flow and safety at the intersection, provide natural traffic calming as vehicles approach the schools and churches in the area, and provide a location for eco-transit buses to turn around. By having a location to turn around the buses, eco-transit will be able to extend service and provide a stop to serve Vale Christian, St. Clair of Assisi, and Mountain Life Calvary Chapel in both the eastbound and westbound directions. East of the roundabout, the travel lanes continue at 11 feet wide with an adjacent 8-foot shoulder. Heading farther east, the shoulder on both the north and south sides of US 6 transitions to include a dedicated bicycle facility. The concept design includes buffered bike lanes. The buffered bike lanes include a 3-foot striped buffer between the bike lane and the vehicle travel lane with an adjacent 5-foot bike lane to enhance comfort and safety for all users. You'll also note that just east of Squaw Creek Road, there is an expanded culvert crossing to accommodate both drainage and to serve as a wildlife crossing. This slide focuses on improvements around the schools and churches on US 6 just east of Squaw Creek Road. While the buffered bike lane continues through this segment, there is also an eastbound turn lane dedicated to right turns and eco-transit buses. Bus stops are proposed on both sides of US 6 on the far side of the intersection that serve the churches and schools. The signal and crosswalks will be maintained to ensure safe crossings at this location. On the north side of US 6, east of the intersection, an existing sidewalk will be maintained for bicyclists and pedestrians. To provide a continuous multi-use path in the area, a 10-foot path will be constructed to replace the path that often washes out from the river to connect to Hillcrest Drive. If you are interested in seeing more detail on how the path on the north side of US 6 ties into the Hillcrest Drive intersection, be sure to check out that focus area and view that video presentation. This wraps up our overview presentation about the proposed improvements for US 6 from Squaw Creek Road to Hillcrest Drive. After you close out of the video, scroll down to complete our brief survey and to share your ideas through the Start the Discussion tool. The PDF file of this presentation and the concept design files are also available if you are interested in reviewing the materials in more detail. Thank you for your time and participation. Your input is helping to shape the future of West Edwards.